Welcome back, anybody. I have a very large oak log I'm trying to get loaded on the mill here. It's too large for me to roll manually, but I find that by using the hook from a PV, a length of chain, and the hydraulic clamp on my mill, I can roll the log onto the loading arms, then load it onto the mill and do the milling. This log is going to be milled into mantles, so we don't have much lumber coming off, so to speak, just some 8x12 mantles. So please sit back and enjoy this video. When milling, I use Wood-Miser's Double Hard Turbo 7 exclusively, except when I'm using something else. In this case, I'm using their Double Hard 4-degree blade, and for this oak, it worked very, very well. I was very pleased with it, and it did a very, very fine job, and I will definitely use their 4-degree on oak in the future. Except for my brilliant narration, all sound for this video has been lost forever and ever, so you're going to be stuck with listening to music in the background. You'll notice I'm being extra cautious in raising this cant, and that's because it is at least twice as wide as the backrests on the mill are high. And one false move and that thing's going to tumble over backwards and land on the ground, and it's going to be nearly impossible for me to pick up. The top piece will be an 8 by 12 square edge mantle, and the one below that will be roughly 8 by 13 inches live edge. Battery on the camera is about to die, so I guess this is the time to say thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.